Date of the loss was April 1st. It was a nightmare. We had the sewers backed up, soaked the carpet, ruined the drywall, and the bathrooms were a mess, just horrible. It was really bad. I honestly felt I was in good hands. They seemed to be attentive to our needs, go out of their way to help us in our restoration, corrected quite a few errors that some of the other contractors prior to them had made, and it was an overall really good experience. Our insurance company, CIG, was fantastic. Karen Williams, our adjuster, was, again, attentive to our needs, took very good care of us, led us through the process, and I can't say enough good things about her and CIG. I would give Allied a 9+. Nobody's perfect, but a 9+, definitely. Everyone involved in that company, we've had nothing but great experience through this whole process. I already have. I've told 2 people already, and yes, I would continue to recommend you guys to anyone. So. Call Allied. That's serious. I don't know that we could have gotten any better service, any better cooperation, any better solution to our problems.